Here's an example problem from section 3.5 involving a supermesh. So it's problem 3.50, and the circuit's already drawn here. You'll see that they have defined I/O for us right here and given us a current-controlled current source. So it's the first time we've really dealt with one of those in our circuits. So step one, we want to define our meshes. Since this is already defined as I0, it's convenient for us to go ahead and call this mesh I0. We'll call this I1, and then this mesh I2. Now again, we have a supermesh, but you might not realize that at first. And if you don't notice it, it's okay. You'll notice it as you go along. So let's just go ahead and start, and we'll come to a point where we go, wait, we got to do something else. So let's look at our mesh I0. I have 4 I0 plus 2 times, I'm writing for I0, so, or I0, I0 minus I2, plus 10 I0 minus I1 equals 0. I'm going to go ahead and combine like terms for that, and I'll get an 8 I0 minus 5 I1 minus I2 equals 0. Let's box that in. So let's say we start writing for I1. We'd say minus 60 plus 10 I1 minus I0. Oh no, what do I do? Right, so when you get the oh no moment, you know that you have a supermesh. So I have an I1 slash I2 supermesh. So let's write an equation for that. All right, so I have, I'm going to go around like this, that big loop. So I have minus 60 plus, I'm in I1 still, so I say 10 times I1 minus I0. Keep going, we have 2 times, this is in the I2 section, so I2 minus I0, keep going around, plus 8 I2, and back at the beginning, equals 0. Combine my like terms on that, and we can divide through by 2, and we get minus 6 I0 plus 5 I1 plus 5 I2 equal 30. There we go. We need one more equation, right? We have 2 equations and 3 unknowns. Again, that's your reminder that you need another equation. The last one is the one that's usually forgotten. I have 3 I0 leaving, I2 entering, I1 leaving. So my third equation for my supermesh is I1 leaving plus 3I0 is leaving equal to entering, which is I2. So I can write that as 3I0 plus I1 minus I2 equals 0. There's my 3 equations and my 3 unknowns. And if I solve those, 1.73 amps, 1.44 amps, 6.63 amps. And this will conclude chapter 3.